This is a 2012 Dodge Charger. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front and rear floor mats, rear-mounted side airbags, child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, solar control glass, and this vehicle has fewer than 24,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.